Hi guys, it's Aksham Gadia,
And Jitendra Gupta.
reporting live from Ran Rohini
We are here to interview some students.
with regards to a problem faced with education.
What problems you face while competing with students from all around the globe at an institutional level?
When it comes to competing with the student at global level, the basic problem that we face is that the education system of India and other countries such as USA is very different. They are trained to face such challenges from a very minor age, whereas we can face such challenges when we have experienced a lot of life. And that's the basic difficulty that we
See,
face.
the only difference that I believe that we have while we compete with different students from other institutions in different countries is one, that their education is more vocational oriented, whereas ours is more theoretical oriented.
Problem we face competing at institutional level is that certain regions and institutions have their specific set of advantages, and as the number of participants increases, so does the competition. We need to counter these advantages and disadvantages to win.
How do you endure to provide equivalent time for all subjects at this pace which you have to cope up with co-curricular activities?
To provide equivalent time in all the subjects and to be successful, one has to learn time management in all aspects of life. One has to provide equal time in extracurricular activities also and study also, and that is the basic success mantra of life.
See, it's not like about providing equal time because everybody can assign weights to the subjects that they have to study and then study them accordingly. But the major issue is about consistency. It's about how often do you study a subject and not how much time you devote.
I endure not to provide equivalent time for all subjects, but to focus upon the efficiency and vital outcome of my study for each and every subject that I study at a particular time.
Please enlighten us with solutions to cope up peer pressure these days with regards towards falling in the right direction about education.
When it comes to coping up with peer pressure, today teenagers are facing peer pressure at a very high rate, and to cope up with that, the basic thing that we have to remember is that what is right even if no one is doing it, and what is wrong even if everyone is doing it, and we shouldn't go with the flow and do whatever is right according to our wish.
My mantra is very simple. It's elimination of negativity and having positive people around you. So when you talk about peer pressure, it's not like peer pressure is going to negatively impact you. It's going to be all positive impact by your
Coping up with peer pressure is not basically keeping positivity to yourself, but also your mistake pointers so that you are able to realize your real potential and give your best outcome.